Hello everyone, welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make this crochet French top. In this tutorial, any fingering weight yarn will do, but I will be using this 8-ply polyester yarn from Rojas Yarns. I will put the shop link in the description box below. We will also need a 2.5mm hook, pair of scissors, and a weaving needle. As you can see, I've already made these two triangle bra cups here. If you want a video tutorial, I will be putting the link in the description box below, or just click the link that will pop up in the upper part of the screen. And after making the bra cups, go back to this video for the next steps. After making the triangle bra cups, on a separate yarn, make a slip knot and make a chain of 20. After that, grab your triangle bra cups and determine your wrong side and the right side. Then after that, we will just continue making 2 single crochets in each row on this part of the bra cup. Then, continue making 2 single crochets in each row on the other cup. After that, chain 20. After your 20 chains, it should look like this. And to start our first row, additional chain 1, and then single crochet all the next chains and stitches across. The purpose of why I chose to make a row of single crochets is to strengthen our foundation chain. After one row of single crochets, start our second row with chain of 5. Then turn your work, skip 1 and make 3 single crochets on the next stitch. Next, skip 2 stitches and make again 3 double crochet on the next stitch. Again, skip 2 stitches and make 3 double crochets on the next stitch. Repeat this pattern across. So here we're about to finish our second row, and if you won't change the color of your yarn, you may just make triple treble crochet on the very last stitch. The reason why we made a big hole on both ends is this will be where we will tie our straps. But since I will be changing my color, I will end my second row with chain of 5 and then slip stitch on the very last stitch. To attach the other color of the yarn, insert your hook here, and then from there, make a slip knot, and then yarn over, and start with chain of 5. After your chain of 5, if you can see these spaces here, on each spaces we'll make 3 double crochets. To finish the row, make a chain of 5, slip stitch here, additional chain 1 to secure, tighten the yarn and then cut. For our straps, I just double fold my yarn, and to attach, insert your hook on the peak stitch of the cup, and then from there, make a slip knot, pull it through, and then make a chain of at least 100. Repeat the same step on the other cup. In this clip, I'm just showing you how I make tassels on my straps to make it more attractive. It depends on you if you want to put tassels on your straps too. And finally, for our fringe, and since we are using a fingering weight yarn, I cut the 3 strands with the same length, but it depends on you if you want it to have single strand, 2 strand, 4 or 5 strands. Just make sure that you'll achieve your desired length when the yarn is folded. So here I made use of a hook to make it easier to pull through the strands. You don't need to pull the strands all the way. You just need to make a loose loop, and then on that loose loop, pull through the tail of the strands and then tighten. Repeat the same process in each of the spaces. After that, we're done. If you like this video tutorial and this stuff, please hit like and subscribe. And also, I would very much appreciate it if you'd also subscribe to my featured channels. Thank you.